Talagang narrow itong dinaraanan natin. So, kung talagang mataba ka, mahihirapan ka katulad ko. Ayan. Kikoy. Ano yan?
Ano si Abby sa taas?
Okay.
Patayin ko muna. Makulimlim sakto, hindi kami may initan masyado, hindi masakit sa balat. Kaya, let's go to the bundok!
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Parkdale Avenue.
Hi guys, good morning sa inyong lahat. Ayan, gaya nga ng sabi ni Nancy, papunta kami ngayon sa bundok. So, ang pupuntahan natin, dito lang to sa may Solana Beach. Isa siyang canyon trail. Sama-sama nating tuklasin kung ano man ang tinatagong ganda nung canyon trail na yon. Mayroon doon dagat sa may bandang kaliwa. Yan. Nandiyan yung dagat.
Ayun, opening. Garage.
So 3 minutes na lang makakarating na kami doon sa destination. Medyo maambon sa ngayon. Sana hindi naman lalakas yung yung ulan para ma-enjoy natin yung yung pag-hike. So sana hindi rin maputik doon sa pupuntahan natin. Ayan, malapit-lapit na kami kaya lang mahirap sundin itong navigation kasi naghahanap kami ng parking. Ang inaasahan namin talaga may parking area siya pero parang wala at magpa-park ka talaga dito sa mga residential area. Hanapin muna namin kung talagang saan yung way kasi may nakalagay dun sa una namin pinuntahan na ang access nitong itong Anis Canyon Trail ay dito sa may North Rios Avenue. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa Anis Canyon Trail. Nakahanap na kami ng parking. So dito lang sa sa gilid ng kalsada na yan. Diyan ka magpa-park.
Yahoo! We got lost for a while but we're here now.
Anis Canyon Trail is located in a 979-acre San Elihu Lagoon Ecological Reserve, which protects one of San Diego's largest coastal wetlands and serve as home to numerous plants and animals. San Elihu Lagoon is formed where Escondido and La Orilla Creeks meet the Pacific Ocean. The reserve extends 2.7 miles east from the Seaside State Beach on the coast, and is sandwiched between Solana Beach to the south and Cardiff by the Sea and Encinitas to the north. It is a short but dramatic slat canyon trail tucked into the coastal bluffs near San Diego Solana's beach hamlet. The canyon trail is typically accessed by one of the 3 trailheads that start in the neighborhoods south of the reserve: the North Rios Avenue Trailhead, Homewood Lane Trailhead, or the Solana Hills Drive Trailhead. The North Rios and Solana Hills Drive trailheads are the most popular. Parking near the trailheads is along streets, as there is no formal parking lot here for the reserve. From either of the main trailheads near the street parking, it's roughly 3/4 mile hike to the entrance to Anis Canyon. After approaching Anis Canyon from either the west or the east, you'll come to the canyon trailhead, which is marked by a sign and wooden fencing that funnels you into the Slat Canyon. There are actually two routes to get to the top of the bluff overlooking the canyon.
Andito na kami sa Annie's Canyon Trail. Ito. So, we're still thinking kung anong way yung tatahakin namin, sa left or sa right. Kasi sa left, moderate lang. Pagka sa right, difficult. Pero mas magandang view kapag right. So, I think dito kami sa right. Para mas adventure. O, diba? Ayan, dito na po kami sa gilid ng bundok. Bato. Ayan si Abby. So, makikita nyo sa likod ko yung kitid ng daan paakyat doon.
Yan, dito pa lang sa bungad, mapapansin nyo na makitid na kagad yung daan. Tapos dito sa may bandang kaliwa, makita nyo yung mga rock formations.
Yan.
Mas lalong magiging narrow pa pagdating dun sa sa bandang dulo.
The primary section of the trail goes through the Slot Canyon to the overlook. This portion goes one way from the low point through the canyon and up to the overlook. You then take a switchback trail down that parallels the canyon back down to the lagoon. Alternatively, if you don't want to hike through the Slot Canyon and would prefer a mellower trail, you can hike up the switchbacks to the overlook.
Ang mahirap dito, kapag umaakyat ka at merong bumaba,
Giveaway.
talagang kayo,
Pero hindi pa rin kayo mag-giveaway kasi ito na yung pinakamaluwag din sa pwesto ni Julius. So, kapag sa baba, walang choice. Walang giveaway.
The canyon portion of the hike squeezes through an extremely narrow passage between sandstone walls that is only wide enough for one person to pass at a time.
Ganda experience.
It's hard because I'm the one who's holding the GoPro, so I have to be careful.
The hike culminates in a steep section near the top of a bluff that required climbing a short metal ladder.
Ouch. Okay. Yay! We're here!
Daming mga inuukit, mga pangalan, mga shape. Hindi naman dapat. Pero napakaganda nitong lugar. So, isang maganda experience na maranasan mo.
I like it.
So,
Yeah.
hindi naman siya ganun kahirap itong trail na to. Pero ito na yung ito na yung hard. Kasi dun sa kabila,
That's the difficulty.
moderate lang yung niya, yung trail.
Hey.
So, hindi ko na ma-operate itong camera ko kasi
Okay,
halos
GoPro.
kapag maglalakad nga ako, kailangan na nakatagilid na ganun.
Teka muna. Hawak muna ako dito. So, hawak. Ayun na si Abigail on top of the mountain. Yay! We made it! Say hey! We made it! Grabe!
Dito rin. Parang ako lang ako.
Ayun si Baroy.
Goy!
Okay, just... Oh!
Ayan guys, nakarating na kami dito sa pinakataas. Ayan, ganda rito kasi kitang-kita yung yung I-5 freeway. Yan yung bandang dyan. Tapos ito yung San Dieguito River. Ayan, makikita mo siya view. Tapos nandun na naman yung Solana Beach, yung dagat doon. Ewan ko kung napapansin ninyo, doon sa banda ron. May mangilan-ngilan din ditong pumasyal. So bale dito kami galing. Yan, yung napapansin nyo may umaakyat pa nga dyan. So itong ano na yan, itong trail naman na yan, pababa na yan. Bale, kapag dinire-diretso mo yan, mahihit mo yung kung saan tayo nag-umpisa, kung saan tayo namili kanina. It's either left or right. So yun ang tutumbukin niyang ano na yan, trail na to. So ito yung tinatawag na intermediate lang yung level.
Makita nyo po dito sa pinakababa ko sa likod ko kung gaano katarik ng bundok na inakit namin. Napakaganda po. It's really refreshing here on top. Kasi hangin. Tapos parang yung adventure mo na umakyat din sa pinakamakiti na daan dyan sa maliliit na way. Bakit ito? It's really nature loving. Ang ganda po talaga. Kaya recommended ko pumunta rin kayo dito.